Today when you are in power, are you being able to give a categorical assurance to me or indeed any citizen of the country that if I file an RTI, I can know where the PM CARES fund money is going? Should I not know it?
Rajdip ji, you have raised a very appropriate question. Technically, it should have been investigated. So every question is having two aspects, the technical and moral. Today, technically, they have been defeated. Still, they are putting the moral question. So I am also asking the moral question. What authority a private trust should have hundreds of crore rupees from the government? No answer. So it is like a Goebbels is trying to become a symbol of the gospel truth.
Sir, I am asking you about PM CARES fund. You are telling me about what the Congress did. I am asking you that your government claims to be different to the Congress. If you claim to be different, put the funds under RTI. Doodh ka doodh, pani ka pani. Finish it off. Already the Supreme Court has given you permission to go ahead.
अरे भाई fund पूरा तो होने दीजिए. If the corona time is still going on, this is the biggest and the most vast crisis in the documented history of mankind. Let the time be over, and then the procedure would have been established. Then everything would be there. You can check.
Let Shailesh Gandhi.
Shailesh Gandhi. अभी बच्चा पैदा हुआ है, मगर उसकी डिग्री क्या होगी उसके ऊपर बहस चल रही है.
Shailesh Gandhi, the point which the government is making, and they've made it now more than once on this program itself today, that the PM CARES fund is still getting in monies. There are still monies coming in. The fight is still on against Corona. At a stage like this, the government believes that the right to information is premature. You want to file a right to information, you file it once the fight against Corona is over, not in the middle of it.
My submission is simple, Rajdeep, and I think you are also asking the wrong question, saying, don't I have a right? The question is, what is the law? When a child is born, it is subjected to the law. When a new company starts, it has to give various permissions. It doesn't say, no, let me start, let me settle down, then I'll do this. RTI does not ask you to give accounts which are not there. If accounts exist, you give them. If accounts don't exist, you don't give them. RTI only makes you responsible and answerable. And I am really disappointed that the law minister of the country defended not applying RTI to this. We are not discussing the law. Mr. Sudhanshu is also not discussing what is the law. The law says control. Is it their contention the Prime Minister, Home Minister, Defence Minister are controlling PM CARES fund without the backing of the government and not on behalf of the government? Let them say so. That would be a very big charge. That would be complete dishonesty. And since they can't say that, the law says if you are controlled by government, the Prime Minister, let Mr. Sudhanshu say the Prime Minister does not control the fund on behalf of the government. I would have no question about it.
Sudhanshu, you want to say that? Do you want to retain that fiction that the Prime Minister doesn't control this fund? This is actually a fund where the government has no involvement. Let's be honest. This is money which is going to the Prime Minister's, it's controlled through the Prime Minister's office. How else are so many public sector units giving monies to it?
Yes, you have to understand this aspect. First, technically, what Mr. Gandhi has said, let the accounts be completed. Accounting process should have been completed. Then you can ask for account. The accounting is going on and you are asking about the account. And as far as the Prime Minister is concerned, Rajdeep, this is the problem. Prime Minister of India is doing, but those who are attacking, not attacking Prime Minister of India, they are more carried away by their penchant of hate against Narendra Modi. तो भैया प्राइम मिनिस्टर के ऊपर क्वेश्चन नहीं है, नरेंद्र मोदी पे क्वेश्चन है. अगर कोई और होता तो कुछ नहीं होता. इसलिए प्रॉब्लम है कि यहाँ प्राइम मिनिस्टर को क्या प्रॉब्लम? प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज कंट्रोल ओवर द मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स इन द कंट्री.
Sir,
then what problem with this?
Sir, he is my prime minister.
He represents the people.
He is my prime minister. He is the prime minister of the country. Therefore, he is the top government functionary. Effectively, the fund is in his name. But you want to respond to that? You want to respond to that, Pawan Kheda? The BJP says this is again directed at Narendra Modi, the individual.
Rajdeep, we don't hate Narendra Modi. It's just that we love India. Now, if he doesn't know the difference, I can't help him. बच्चा पैदा हो, उसकी डिग्री पे बहस करना, माफ कीजिएगा सुधांशु जी, डिग्री पे बहस हम भाजपा वालों से नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि डिग्री की हकीकत हमें मालूम है.
No, let's not go down that road.
अब आइए, Rajdeep, most interesting is Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Everything is public domain. Filing the returns. Everything is transparent. Come to RSS. How many organizations of the RSS have been getting funds under the Skill India mission in the last 5 years? I challenge Sudhanshu Trivedi to have a debate with me on that. Tell me, I have all the data. No transparency, unregistered organization, is an umbrella organization of sorts, has thousands of organizations under that umbrella. They keep getting funds from different ministries. RSS का एक आदमी हर मंत्री के यहाँ OSD बनकर बैठा है या नहीं बैठा, बताइए मुझे। तनख्वाह ले रहा है या नहीं ले रहा, बताइए मुझे। क्या हैसियत है उसकी? कौन है RSS? बताइए मुझे।